You understand? I don't hate her. I hate what she's become. I hate the illness.
Wouldn't it be better if you put her someplace?
Has been changed. 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 Has been changed.
Our society is rotten to the core. I'm talking to all the fine, upstanding folks out there, welfare cuts.
The caretaker or somebody takes them away. Yeah, it's your...
But they're not doing anything.
They are not. They want the major population centers wiped out.